So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook desktop opening web login page creating the issue. So guys, if you facing such type of issues like your desktop keep opening the web browser login instead of signing in directly, so guys, it is usually due to the modern authentication and single SOS credential conflicts or profile issue. So guys, to fix this issue you follow this video to troubleshoot. Okay, so guys, the first thing is guys, you remove your saved credentials. For removing your saved credentials, first of all you open your control panel. Okay, so open your control panel. After open the control panel, so you guys, you simply open your control panel, then guys go to the option of credentials manager. For this guys, you simply go to your user account. Okay, sorry, just go back, click on user account, and guys here you check here manage web credentials. So just go here and click here, and guys here any credential is shows, so you just remove it by clicking here. Okay, after that guys, you create a new Outlook profile. So guys, if your organization related profile, so you contact the organization service provider, mail provider, that they create a new mail. Okay, if it is the personal, then you create the new one. For this guys, simply you open any web browser. After open, simply search the outlook.live.com. Okay, just hit enter and wait a moment. When you click here, then you click option of sign in. After sign in, here you see the option of create new account, so you just go here and create the new account. Okay, then guys, you try to clear office activation caches. So guys, you simply delete one folder which is related to the caches. For this guys, first of all open your my computer. In my computer guys, go to the option of users. So guys, go here you go to the option of users. In the user section guys, go to the app data. So guys, first choose your profile, and guys here you find the folder app data, like here I think. Go here I so guys, in my case I am using the VPS Cloud, so it shows VPS Cloud file, so just click it and guys you delete it. But in your case it shows your app data. Then guys go to local, then guys Microsoft Office. In the office you simply go to its version 16, then guys licensing, and delete this folder. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done. Another thing is guys, you try to update your Outlook. So guys, for updating the Outlook, simply close all the application, and guys here you simply search the Microsoft Office, sorry, MS Store, Microsoft Store. So just click here and simply go, and here you simply search your Outlook application. Okay, click here and guys click the option of go here and here open. Okay, instead of a open, if it shows like update, so simply update it. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.